Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome to our today's English class. I hope you all are fine and will enjoy the class. My English book 5, Standard 5th, Unit 3, Topic Know Your Body. Students, as we know, this is the picture of human body. Our body has different parts and their functions are also different. Read the following facts to learn how special they are. We have two eyes, but we see one picture. That means there is a big coordination with our both eyes. We get 83% knowledge through our eyes. Students, next one is the brain. The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping. That means all the information or knowledge is stored in the brain. Brain control our thoughts, memory, speech, movements of the different parts of the body. Okay? Even when we sleep, that time our brain is continuously going on. Students, can you tell me how we can recognize whether the smell is bad or good? Yes, very good. Answer is the nose. Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents or smells. Dear students, there are millions of bacteria on our skin, but most of them are harmless. We think that all the bacteria are harmful, but dear students, this is not like that. Only some of the bacteria are harmful and some of them are harmless. The body repairs itself. If the skin is cut or injured, blood starts flowing. After a little while, it clots. Its scab forms on the cut. After a few days, the scab falls off. There is a new skin under the scab. Students, while playing on the ground, when we fell down, we get injured. After that, what we do? Yes, we use cream or turmeric on the injured part. Then, injured parts get recover itself. After few days, the new skin will come under the injured part. Am I right? Now, the air from our sneeze can travel at a speed of about 160 km per hour. When we cough, the air from our cough travels at about 95 km per hour. Students, nowadays, I can give you a best example for this. As everybody is aware how the coronavirus is spreading, there are maximum level of chances to spread virus by sneezing and coughing. For this, we use precautions by wearing mask. Okay? Now, we will study about bones. Babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, the bones fuse together. Grown-up have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body. A broken bone grows again and repairs itself. Doctors use a plaster cast to help it grow properly. Students, I hope you have understood that all parts of the body are very important and we have to take care of it. Now, listen carefully, read and remember. Our body is so wonderful. We must take care of our body. If we don't take care of our body will not work properly. So, we have to take following care. First one is, we should eat well at regular times. We should eat fruits and vegetables. We should drink enough water. We should take enough exercise. We should get enough sleep. We should keep our body and hair clean. We should cut our nails regularly. We should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. We should wear clean clothes every day. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Students, please write down above activities for your homework. Did you write down? Okay, thank you. Bye students. See you soon.